Hey YouTube Blogtv, this is Kordaisdad and Team Breaker coming at you for a 2009 SPX box break for Let's Break Something. We chose box 166, as you can see. So, angle the camera down a little bit. Here we go. Best of luck to you, let's break something. Aaron Rodgers. Your first hit is a Chris Henry X Factor signature. Then it is base. You got your hit in here. Wow. Very nice. You got a Hakeem Nicks triple patch auto, 13 of 25. All three patches are two color. Very nice hit. Pretty good there. Really nice. Next, we have number 24 of 50, a triple jersey of Peyton Manning, Drew Brees, and Kurt Warner, number 24 of 50. All pretty nice. And there's a rookie in here of Kyle Moore of the Bucks. So far, you've gotten two really nice hits out of here. Yeah, really good box so far. That triple patch auto is really nice. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. Next, we got a Edgerrin James jersey, number 13 of 349, winning materials. All those are just regular base. Wow, this is a nice one. Rookie materials, Josh Freeman dual jersey, numbered 104 of 149. Okay, hold on. Let me know when you're back. Okay, just let me know when the ads are done. Yeah, say, you had a really good box so far going. Okay. Are the ads all done for you? Oh, that's fine. Your next hit you got was a rookie materials dual jersey Josh Freeman, numbered 104 of 149. Then you just got the rest of those are base. Wow, another nice one. A Winning Materials dual jersey, Matthew Stafford, numbered 44 of 149. So you got Josh Freeman and Matthew Stafford jerseys. This one feels extra thick. This could be possibly one of those shadow boxes. And I think it is. Wow, it is. Sick. A Billy Sims autograph shadow box. Yeah, I got a book right here in front of me quick. See if it's SP'd. The SPX shadow box autograph. Billy Sims. 150 is what this shows. Wow, very, very nice. That was the case hit. And if you add in your silver Hakeem Nicks, oh man, you're really doing good. It is 100. So, great box so far. And then you got Derek Anderson dual jersey, 90 of 99. You got a X-Fractor signature Quentin Groves. And the last pack, you got a Clint Symptom rookie auto. So you got a lot of autos in this box compared to most. So your recap is your Clint Symptom, Quentin Groves, Derek Anderson, a very, very nice Billy Sims autograph. That's just a sweet card. Matthew Stafford duel. The Josh Freeman duel. Edgerrin James. The Kyle Moore rookie. The triple. The very nice Hakeem Nicks. And the Chris Henry. So you got 4 autos in the box, which is very good.